My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of my August Ipsy Plus. So if you would like to see what I got this month in my Ipsy Plus, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Alright, let's get into it. So Ipsy Plus is an upgraded version of Ipsy. It's $25 a month and you get all full-size products. So I actually got this a few days ago, but I was feeling like hella shitty like the past few days. I was just in a lot of pain with my back and I didn't get to film this, and then I worked last night. I have to work the next 2 nights, so I just got done working like 13 hours, but I'm like, I really want to unbox this. So I'm like, I'm just gonna throw a wig on, put a cute shirt on, and we're gonna unbox it. So let's get into it. Ooh, I like the first thing I see already. Okay, but I'm gonna go in order. Alright, the first product is this, what the hell? Finding Ferdinand Lipstick in All Naturel. This classic nude, oh hello, lip shade earns a top spot in your purse for a pop of sophisticated color that instantly pulls a look together. And no more messy spills. The pop in and out feature will keep your bag pristine even if it falls to the bottom. Okay, I was wondering what was going on with the bottom because I could... Oh, okay. Ooh. Yes. Oh my gosh, that is such a beautiful color of nude. I am so... Yes, I am living for that right now. Okay, how much... This retails for $30. Okay, I've never heard of this brand before. Finding Ferdinand. What is that reminding me of? Like Ferdinand, like that book? Okay, like the kids' book. Anyone know what I'm talking about? Anyways, moving right along. Huh. The next product is from the Balm Cosmetics, and it's In the Balm of Your Hand, Greatest Hits Volume 2. Oh my gosh! I thought this was like an eyeshadow palette, but now that I'm looking at the back of it, it's like a combination of all their like best things. Here, let me show you. Okay, and it says, from eyeshadows and blushes to bronzer and highlighter, this baby has it all and then some. We love how portable it is, so we'll be packing it for all the summer weddings, long weekends away, and more. You guys, you know what? I don't think I've ever been, no, I've been to like one wedding my entire life besides my own. Isn't that bizarre? That was really random. Wow! So it does have a mirror. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome! This retails for $32. So it has, here, I'm gonna go like this. Me Matte Trimony, it's a shadow and liner, and then we have Nude Dude, which is a shadow liner. Then we have Rockstar Palette Alice Cooper shadow, and then we have Me Matte Adore, which is also a shadow, and then yes, we have the infamous Mary Lou Manizer highlighter. So then it has Bahama Mama, which is a bronzer, and then Down Boy, which is a blush, Frat Boy, which is also a blush, and Insta In Houndstooth, which is also a blush. That is so awesome. You could do like a quick, easy, like brown look with this. Then you have your highlighter and then your blushes all in one palette. That is such a really neat concept. Alright, the next product is what I was super excited for when I first saw. It is this Farah Brushes Show Me Magic Eye Brush Set. So, I have got, oh my god, these are so gorgeous. I have gotten a few Farah brushes from Ipsy and maybe another subscription boxes, and I love them. They are really good brushes. This Farah brush has become my favorite bronzer brush, and oh my god, can we look at these? They're like turquoise icicles. And if you catch your man cheating, you can stab him with one of them. No one would know the difference. Okay, so it says use 10F to prime. Okay, 10F, this says it is a concealer brush. Yeah, I would use that for concealer or for a lid shade since it's a flat synthetic brush. And 65 EM to apply base color, which is this one, and it says mini shading. And then 10-5E to line and smudge. So this is a pencil brush. Alright. Finish with 15E to define and set brows. Ooh, I needed a new brow pencil. And I really like the shape of that one. And this is 35 EM, mini tapered. Oh, it said to blend creases. I missed that one. So here is the mini blender. I am so excited about these. This retails for $50. Wow. They're really good brushes though, but that's like $10 a brush. I mean, I was actually looking on the Ipsy website where they sell things because I was looking to buy some of the Farah and I think Moda brushes because I really like some of the ones I've gotten. And most of the sets weren't that expensive. They were like $35 to $40. But these are really gorgeous. Okay, so the next product, when I first saw it, I thought it was something else. I'm not really sure what it is, but it is this It Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer in Fair. Price is $39.50. Okay. This lightweight formula covers imperfections while giving you an even, natural looking finish. Plus it has SPF 50. Okay, I've tried the It Cosmetics, their like infamous CC cream or whatever it is, and I'm just a full coverage girl. Like, it never could have worked between us. That is really good coverage. Okay, I might give it a shot. And I don't know if I said it, but that is $39.50, and it is 1 fluid ounce. Alright, and the last product, wow, is this Murad AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. I do not like how my box is like dented and unopened, like the seal's broken. But this values for $39. Wow, that's a big boy. Look at it, like it's the size of my head. Okay, this hard-working cleanser will give your skin life. Glycolic and lactic acids clear dead skin cells, while salicylic acid penetrates deep into pores to clear out excess dirt and oil. Jojoba beads gently polish and refine skin, leaving it brighter, clearer, and radiant. So, did I say this was $39? Yeah, how much is this? 6.75 ounces. Wow, I have been looking for a really good exfoliating cleanser. Like right now I'm using the Tatcha, the Deep Cleanse, and I live for that. I really do. But I don't think it's meant to be an exfoliating cleanser. I just think it has a little bit of exfoliation to it, but I need something a little bit heavier on the exfoliation part. And I know Murad has really good skincare products, so I'm super excited to have gotten this. Wow, okay, this box was dope. Let me see what the total retail value is. So the total retail value for my August Ipsy Plus is $190.50. I have been extremely impressed with my Ipsy Pluses. Yeah, Also, if anyone is interested, I guess I will tell you which like edition I got. So on the bottom it says box 106 AU19 and then 1011883. I'm excited to see what everyone else got in their Ipsy or Ipsy Plus, so let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower and go to sleep so I can go back to work tonight. Alright guys, I love you. I will see you next time.